I went to Auburndale, Florida to catch some rail action in the morning, and as soon as I pulled up, a CSX local was heading this way. Leading locomotive is CSX 904, a YM3 paint scheme, ES44AH. Here it is now. After the local went by, I noticed the old Amtrak train station that's sadly not being used. All the station is doing now is just sitting by tracks. The next train coming up was Amtrak PO41, the daily Floridian from Chicago, Illinois, with Amtrak P42 Operation Lifesaver Special Interest Locomotive leading. The second locomotive is Amtrak 361, Phase 6 Paint Scheme, ALC 42. Here we go. My third catch of the day in Auburndale was Amtrak PO98 with locomotives Amtrak 368 and 348, both Phase 6 paint schemes and ALC 42s. Here we go. Last catch of the day is CSX M441 at Valrico, with CSX locomotive 7253 leading, a YN3 paint scheme, CM44AC, rebuilt from CSX CW44AC number 333. The second locomotive, I unfortunately could not tell what number it was in the dark, so here we go. That was M441. Subscribe to my channel, follow my posts, videos, and shorts. Thanks for watching.